Well, we're going to head to the Crocodile Mountain Bike Trek. It's going to be the plan anyway. I don't know what the sound quality is going to be like. But hey, we've never done a mountain bike track before, so it could be interesting. Just on your left. It's deceptively uphill. Well, we made it. Oh, this looks like a little fun track. I have no idea if I'm going to be able to do this, but we're going to give it a good go, I guess. So, we travelled the whole way from Kelowna down to Vancouver. We did the Capilano Bridge, we did the aquarium, saw some sights, we saw Cara do some freeboarding, which is kind of cool. And yeah, it was a good trip, and it saved a bit of money based on the flights, and we got to see a bit more of Canada, which was kind of cool. Then I spent 15 to 18 hours on planes getting the whole way to New Zealand, and we met Mark and we did a little bit of like sightseeing, and yesterday was just like an awesome weather day, so sunny you could see for miles, so that's kind of cool. Those of you who don't know Mark, he was on our gap course for snowboarding and skiing last year up at Big White, so it's kind of cool to reconnect with him. So we sorted out our bank, our mobile phone number and everything in New Zealand, and then today is going to be like the last decent day before it starts raining for like 7 days, which I guess is bad for me but good for the mountains, hopefully, if it's cold enough. So I guess the question is, why am I sitting in the forest? And the answer is we're going to do a mountain bike track for the first time ever, which is kind of cool. Slightly terrified. Does look quite advanced, if I'm being honest. You can see bits of it and stuff around behind me. But yeah, so we're gonna give that a go. And basically, I just have the bike for the day, so gonna do this, maybe do some sightseeing. I don't know, just cycle about until the end of the day, I guess. But yeah, let's see if I can put the head mount on and see if I can record some of this. It's going to be terrible, but that's okay, because it's the first time I've ever tried a mountain bike track, so as long as I don't die, I guess it should be okay, right? We'll start on the easy one and see how we go. Let's do it. I actually have so much stuff here, which is incredible. So we're going to do this one. So follow the green arrows to ride an easy first loop, approximately 2 kilometers. Start at C2 and finish at lower deviation. Oh, this is what beginner snowboarders must feel like. Okay, hopefully we just won't die. That's already harder than it looks. Oh, this is actually fucking terrifying. Is this a good idea? He says. This is a terrible idea. Yeah, I don't think we're cut out for this. Jesus. I don't know if I can do 2 kilometers of this, if I'm being honest. I had fun cycling through the town. If it was like this, it's not too bad. But I guess this isn't really mountain biking, is it? Well, we'll see what happens. I don't know how I'm going to get uphill. I can't even go downhill. Right. Hey. Okay. What the fuck is that? Not working out for me. Well, something's gone wrong. I'm not quite sure.